guys, it's me, Bob Mac, and today I've got a card game, and I'll show you what it is called here. It's called Universal Car Driving Classics. There's the name, and you need to try it out. It's a fun game. Look, and this is the second car you can get. It's not. Here's your first car. And I've had this one for a while, and then I finally got this one. And this one I've customized. You got your free mode where there's no traffic, it's just you. Then traffic mode where it's cars and stuff. So let me show you. Let's go to free mode. This is the one I prefer to do. But this is a very good game to play. Sorry about that. Wait. And I'm shifting gears. Yes. You drive one time and then you get an e-brake. But I've got it to where I shift gears, and let me show you some of the settings. So here's your miles per hour, and here's how your controls, and here's what your scores are with this car, and it's automatic and manual, but I prefer manual, and that's the settings. I'm gonna give her some gas. Look at that, that was cool. And then, this is the wrench means to fix your car. This, you can go to the front, and that's your only one. And this one, it will reset it. If you're done. But, let me show you something if I can find one. Oh, here's one. And they give you like free money if you can get it. And then you can get free diamonds. And it's a trial run with time. And this is an parkour course. And they give you money to do it in the game. It's fun. Like, some of them I've mastered, and I got this car with one of them. Let's see if I can do it.
2, 1, go.
Wait, I'm gonna shift it to auto. I shift it to automatic for challenges. I'm fixing it. I'm gonna put it in reverse a little, and then floor it and forward, and look what it does. But you're at that first one, that, and it sets you up like that, and now you're through the gravity. If you get stuck on something, just reset it. You're still in a challenge. I'm sorry, I'm still new to this app I'm using, because one of my friends told me about it, and I've had it before. That's how I done my Minecraft series. And I'm good at it. I just have a little trouble. Sometimes I just have trouble like that. But I don't have any diamonds, but diamond will get you next spot in the course, and unfortunately I don't have any. Can I use them? So I'm pressing leave challenge. I'm gonna show you. Sorry about these ads, but I got to skip forward through it. And I'm going to garage. I've got my hot rod and my book, but I'm gonna do how it works on the hot rod. I did not do TikTok, so don't ask. And this is how you choose your round. You can choose how big you want. And you can get white walls on some cards. And here, this is how you change up your rounds. I just have to move it so you can change your rounds. But I'm not going to go into much detail. Here's your springs. That's filling out your tires. And this is your height. I've got mine at 100% height. Got like a taller car. And this is your well, this is your body color for your car. Here's your rims. You can pick a color from. You get red walls. You can even get pink walls. You can get all sorts of colors. And I'm going to back up from this one. Go to calipers. I don't mess with that in the game, so I don't use them. Let's go to hood. You can go. Here's how you. And yes, I just customized my hood, my roof. Here's how you go through your colors, and that's it. Pretty self-explanatory. I just want all of them. That's the paint one. Here you can you've got your patterns, and you've got your colorful flame ones, and you've got camo. You get to camo tray. There's camo. Now that's for coloring your car, and it's true window tint, but I've got mine set at a legal amount in real life. This is for the body colors, and you've got to have some extreme blokes. You can have money to do that, and I could do it, but that's what that's for. I get that gold roof. But guys, that's all for today. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately, but this is what I've got for you today. See ya, and please subscribe and go check out Knoxville Party and Rocky Top Jack. See ya, folks.